Welcome to Mr. Origami, where we turn paper into art. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for your dose of creative folds. Hello, I'm Mr. Origami, and today we're going to make an Origami Godzilla. You're going to need a square sheet of paper and fold it in half. Fold it in all directions, so you have 4 squares. So after that, and fold all of these corners to the middle. So after you've done those, you're gonna rabbit ear both of these flaps. Now flip it over, and we're gonna make like a mini square base. Then we're gonna squash fold. Go. After we made the squash folds, we're gonna petal fold both of these. Fold it down, then turn the page. So after you've done that, we're gonna do one big petal fold here. So make sure it looks like this. Now you're gonna fold this from this point to the top point. Now we're gonna sink these both. We're gonna open it and we're gonna crease on these and then fold down on it. Do the same for the other side. After you've done that, you're gonna fold this in half. You're gonna turn it, and you're gonna fold it like this. And you see this crease right here? This crease? You're gonna fold down from this point to that crease. And after you've done that, you're gonna open it. Do the same with the other side. So now you're gonna fold down on the legs. Now you're gonna rabbit ear. These. So now we're gonna make the spikes. Now you're gonna open the arm, then you're gonna pull it out and place the spike like this. And now you're gonna place this part. You're gonna fold it like this and shape the claw however you want. I mean spike. Do the same with the other side, and while you're doing it, fold it and just crease it up so it's up like that. And then you're gonna do the same with the other one. We're almost done. We just need to do the tail and the head. Now we're gonna crease it, then we're gonna outside reverse fold it. Then crease it in. Gonna crease in the tail, and then you're gonna fold this up, and you're gonna inside reverse fold it. Make sure it stands up, and voila! You have made your origami Godzilla. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in my next video.